The reinforced high X block, or Ssang Soo Mahk. The high X block. Ssang Soo Mahk. Ssang Soo Mahk. Load. Start by bringing both hands over to the side of your hip. Make sure your wrists are aligned and your thumbs are facing upwards. Your blocking hand should be on top. Block. Begin to push your hands upward and stop above your head. Make sure your hands are open. Make sure your elbows are bent, framing a window around your head. Keep the wrist in alignment. Load. Push up and block. Load. Push up and block. Load. Push up and block. The high X block. Moving down the floor with a stance.